I say give thanks to the MC. Portmore. So may I say 100% talent. As we say, big up all of you. Hold on, DJ. At the end of the day, we could say something to the people them. Yeah, as me say, big up the audience them, though. Give thanks to know so the other them show up and they are 100% talent. Big up the Panthers them same way. And we are blessed up everybody. I'll still say the first. Drop it, DJ.
Them despise Rastafari listen up me over cry boom the wicked man a ask us why children from the body mental drug all a jolly book or them they from the black man can't let tell both and when they don't know the island ignite here they don't know it wrong and pay on the financial right one of the need of that nation and that them despise Rastafari listen up me over cry boom the wicked man a ask us why children from the body mental drug look around to know the from the black man cannot tell both and one do not know the island ignite here they don't know it wrong and every day you know in the about economics and I talk about all the academics right now we say you put up economic and I can't bring them all the arena them pull it me you show them they think they can't stand it don't want them to think them in the vomit bar me you show them double up them politics they are trick so when nobody and no business with them discouraged them they cannot think them no get no permit when you see them they back to dust when you see them they pass to them panning at the coming dust them back the one was more crime than money hey pay God up to financial right one of those needs of the nation other than this Rastafari need to know see our cry boom the wicked man ask us why children turn up on the mental drug all of them go around to the temper from the black man can no tell both and one don't know the island ignite here they don't know it wrong and financial right, but don't need a black nation other than despise. Rastafari is to not be our cry, wicked man act us why far. Children go upon the mental strong, other than people right to take from the black man, can look at both and when you don't know the island. Ignite your they don't know wrong and then I use all this question and the classification. Never come with them competition, we use them in the world are very significant. In very difficult and important. Nowadays they use them as non-instant. Remember, they give them good governance. Give them a chance. So now on the dance. Rastafari got to use them now. It's the imperial majesty of the covenant. In Mount Zion, him are the conquering lion. Use them link, but we are the remnant. So don't move like them. You're not reluctant for. They got to go financial right. Don't know the needs of the nation other than this. Rastafari is to don't feel our cry. Wicked man ask us why. Far. Children to the body mental strong. All of the little correct to the from the black man. Can look at both and one who don't know the island. Don't know the island. Ignorance on the turn away. Wrong man. They got them. We have to be thank to them again. Bless up everybody who show up. You see me? Bless them now.
Alright, so what are the judges? Ignite, make we hear what the judges them are saying.
Boy, Ignite, I have to tell you, say you come out with a piece of fire. We did a look to see if nobody will come behind you with some flags or Rasta flag away, but I love the energy. You come out well prepared tonight and I love the vibe, so keep it up. And don't watch the grade. I know next week will be better, so it's a 7 from me.
Alright, Ignite, you come militant, you come ready for chant down Babylon. However, there was no clarity in your presentation. I was straining my ears to hear.
Yes, Ignite. Even though my fellow judge said what she said, I love the energy turn up tonight. Then may I hear the lyrics, see how you use up the stage, you engage with the audience, you know, everything go right tonight. You see me? You can make a little more clarity go on next time. But me understand say energy turn up, so the voice I got turn up too. You get what I say? But big up yourself, very good performance, love it.
So what's the number for Ignite?
Yeah, man, Ignite get a 9 tonight.
Yeah, and the audience seem to agree. What does the audience say about Ignite? Yeah, Ignite, fire on stage tonight.